Do you want to know what I learned at my recent visit to Google Pune? It was to create a Gemini-powered YouTube Summariser. Let me show you how to do that. Go to the Google Cloud Console and select your project. Click on the Cloud Shell button. Type in gcloud auth list. This is to check if you are already authenticated. Run gcloud config list project in the Cloud Shell to confirm that the gcloud command knows about your project. If your project is not set, type in gcloud config set project and then the project ID. The Summariser requires Vertex AI API, Cloud Run Admin API, Cloud Build API, and Cloud Resource Manager APIs. You need to enable them using this command. On your terminal, click on Open Editor button. Sign in to the Cloud Code. Now click on New Application, select Cloud Run Application. Select Python Flask Cloud Run. Give it a name of your choice. This will open up a template of the new project that you have just set up. The code to build the frontend and backend is provided in this GitHub repository. Add Google Gen AI SDK library to your requirement.txt file. When initializing the Gemini client, make sure to replace the project ID with your own project ID. To deploy this web application, navigate to the Cloud Shell terminal, type in gcloud run deploy --source. It will prompt you to enter the name for your service. Choose the corresponding region. Select Y to allow unauthenticated invocations. This is a demo application, that's why we allow unauthenticated access here. The recommendation is to use appropriate authentication for your enterprise and production applications. Once the deployment is complete, you should get a link similar as this one. Let's go to the URL. Type in a video URL of your choice. Add in any additional prompt. Click on Summarize. It opens a new tab and this is the summary of your YouTube video based on the additional prompt that you have provided. So here's a mini project for you. Thanks for watching.